Hi friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam Khan again with a new video. You know that I am conducting a series that is named by Parenting Series. On that series, I am trying to discuss about some psychological and scientific issues about parenting on the basis of recent and advanced theories and findings. I have discussed 5 episodes of that series. On the first episode, I discussed about the planning, how you will plan to become a parent and when. And then second episode, I discussed about the take caring process of your baby when it is at the womb. And the third episode, I discussed how you will welcome your baby naturally from womb to this planet. And the fourth episode, I discussed about the feeding procedure, how you will feed your baby and what should be the procedure. And the final and last episode, fifth episode, I discussed about the technological access, that when you will give your son or daughter technological access and how many extent you will give it. Today I will discuss another interesting topics about parenting, that is called the sunlight and air access to the baby. We know that when a baby born, it become very much sensitive because before that he was at the womb of the mother and it is a protected area. On that area there is no air, there is no sunlight, and there is no any other things that he had got on the planet after taking birth. So he become very much sensitive and responsive about these circumstances, that when he hears some sound he become astonished, when he gets some air he become feel very cool and react by crying or shouting. So we become tensed about their reaction, that either they are feeling better or not, is it suitable for them or not. And many parents become very much tensed and panicked about these issues. So today I will discuss about this issue, that how you will give them access to the sunlight and air. You know that sunlight has a lot of beneficial and important elements for our body. Like most important element is vitamin D. Except vitamin D, there are a lot of vitamins and other things that is very much important for our body, and even we don't get it on the other natural fruits or foods. So doctors suggest every man to have the sunlight at least half hour per day, especially the child and the old persons. So whenever a baby born, their bones are very weak and their immunity system is not developed. So if you give access to sunlight, it will be better for their building, growing, and to adapted with this world. But how extend and when? The important thing is the time duration. You will give access only 15 to 20 minutes at morning and 15 to 20 minutes at evening or before evening, afternoon per day. And the time will be before 8 or 9 p.m. and after 4 p.m. when the sunlight becomes very much gloomy or its heat is not so fast, that can affect on the baby. And after that time, that means from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on that time, on the ray there are a lot of ultraviolet ray and many other things that also create some problems. And another important thing is, before giving sunlight you have to massage the full body of the baby with oil. Olive oil is very much suitable for that. You may use also another natural oils, and after massaging the full body of the baby, then you should take him on the sunlight. And important thing that you have to notice that full body of the baby is focused by sunlight, treated by sunlight. You may change the side and move him for full body. It can adapt the sunlight. That is enough for his growing immunity and other system. And the fresh air, you should give access to fresh air, but you have to be confirmed that the air is so not cool, so not hot. because they are very much sensitive. They will not adjust with the high temperature or low temperature. It should be moderate. So when you enter on the room, if you feel it is too hot, you may give some access, like open the fan or AC or any other things. And if you feel it is so cool, then you should off that. And it is better that if you have enough window on the room, you can open the windows. It will be better for him that he will get the natural air in natural way. That when we circulate the fan, it has extra pressure. It creates some problem on breathing and other skin problems on the babies. So if they get natural pressure, it will be better for them. So thank you very much. Today I will finish my video. I hope you have been get some ideas about the access of air and sunlight for the baby. Thank you very much. Bye.